In this video, we'll cover the single point catch system replacement kit. Before you begin, please check to make sure the following parts are included in the kit. 1 catch, 2 1/4 by 0.75 Torx screws. The tools you will need are a T30 Torx screwdriver or a T30 driver bit with a screwdriver drill. Step 1. Remove existing hardware. To replace the single point catch system, begin by opening the hatch and remove the fasteners that hold the catch to the inside of the curb with a T30 torque driver. Step 2. Replace hardware. To install the replacement catch system, align the catch with the holes. Loosely install the screws. Tighten screws evenly with torque driver. Step 3. Operation test. Carefully close and latch the cover to make sure the catch is installed correctly.